Hey guys, what's up and welcome to this Aespa Life's Too Short and Illusion dance workout. If you want more Aespa, be sure to check out my Patreon linked right up here. We have an exclusive video to Dreams Come True out now.
All of this discussion, talking about nothing you'd ever said to my face. You think it was the gospel, but they're only trouble. I ain't got the time to waste. You need to get a life, cause life's too short. You must be bored out of mind. You should really take the notes and somewhere else, cause you've got to realize I'm doing me regardless, and I don't care what you say about it. And it don't matter if you like it or not. I'm having all this fun, so why would I ever stop doing me regardless? No, I don't care what you say about it, and I'ma do it anyway that I want. I'm having all this fun, so why would I ever stop? Some people are so mean, I'll be on a phone screen when we're trying to live our lives. Why you gotta be so vicious? Be about your business instead of getting up in mine. You need to get a life, cause life's too short. You must be bored out of your mind. You should really take the notes and somewhere else, cause you got to realize and I don't care what you say about it. And it don't matter if you like it or not. I'm having all this fun, so why would I ever stop doing me regardless? No, I don't care what you say about it, and I'ma do it anyway that I want. I'm having all this fun, so why would I ever stop doing me regardless? Doing me regardless. Why would I ever stop? Oh, you won't tell your glitter into gold, so why are you wasting your time? You should find some better seeds to sow. They might grow one day, but either way I'm doing me regardless, and I don't care what you say about it. And it don't matter if you like it or not. I'm having all this fun, so why would I ever stop doing me regardless? No, I don't care what you say about it, and I'ma do it anyway that I want. I'm having all this fun, so why would I ever stop doing me regardless? Life's too short. Doing me regardless. Life's too short. Why would I ever stop doing me regardless? Doing me regardless. You're so yummy, yummy, yummy. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Look at you, 빨라지는 걸음걸이. Look at me, 호기심을 자극하지. Look at them, 알아챌 수 없는 거리. Baby don't panic, I'm 밤의 party. 자, 올라다리, 딱 좋은 타이밍. 이건 비밀이야, shit, 우리만의 한밤의 party. 널 끌어당김, 어쩌니 내게 뺏겨버리는 shit. 몽롱한 기분이 좋은 tonight. 색다른 세계로 이끄는 light. Follow me, come and get illusion. 한 입에 삼켜 널 delicious. 아찔한 미끼로 hook up. 관심을 먹고 growing up. Follow me, come and get illusion. 몸집을 올려가 delicious. 점점 더 커지는 fire. 관심을 먹고 growing up. 겁내지 말고 이리요. 겁내지 말고 이리요. Easy peasy, 너도 알다시피 When you're dizzy, 내겐 그저 dish. 도깨비불, 너를 놀려부. 예상 못한 순간 등장하지 불쑥. 처음 보는 style, 모른 timing. 너의 약점에다 hit, it's so funny. 한밤의 party, 널 끌어당긴. 알아도 막을 수 없는 반지. 낯선 이 기분이 묘한 tonight. 감춰둔 본능을 이끄는 light. Follow me, come and get illusion. 한 입에 빠지는 fire 관심을 먹고 growing up 겁내지 말고 이리 온 겁내지 말고 이리 온 Yummy 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 in your tummy 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 너란 너의 face 너를 저격하는 taste 멀리 멀리 다른 너도 소용없어 이미 Come get illusion Follow me, come and get illusion You with us, you're the one 방심한 틈을 타 swallow 환상을 먹고 growing up Follow me, come and get illusion 순진한 먹잇감 delicious 단번에 노리는 하자 네 맘을 뺏어 보이는 겁내지 말고 이리 온 겁내지 말고 이리 온
Awesome workout, guys. If you want more Aespa and you want more like a burning cardio action, be sure to check out my Patreon right here. We have a patron exclusive workout too, Dreams Come True, out now. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in and I will see you next time.